Hey everyone, this is Steven Escobar from Diversity News TV and Diversity News Magazine, and I'm here with Rita Gray from
Betty White's Off Their Rockers.
I did not watch the show before, but since I saw it, like, oh my God, I cannot believe it.
Oh, you have seen it.
Yeah, I saw it. I mean, I'm just kind of saying that I had seen it before I met you, but now I do. It's like, now every time I turn into NBC to watch that show, it's so hilarious, very funny.
Well, thank you so much for watching.
And I was telling my photographer, you know, I saw the show and she's very funny and being with Betty White. Oh my God, that's a really cool show to watch.
It is. It's very funny. We do all kinds of very funny, silly pranks on people, and you just laugh.
But I do have complaints. Tell Betty White. Why? I don't know if it is the network. There's some repeats. I hate repeats.
Say it again.
I hate repeats on any TV show.
Okay, see, I can't tell them that, but if the audience tells them that, I try to do everything original. I don't think I've repeated anything yet, but I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, like I turned the following week to watch the show, and it was something that I already had seen. So now
Oh, you mean repeating the whole show?
Yeah.
Oh, now that they plug us in everywhere they possibly can on the network.
Okay.
Because some people don't watch it on Tuesday nights, so they have it on Friday nights. So we probably are the most run show on NBC. So they do repeat a lot of the shows.
And then you guys, what's the plan with the show? Are you going to be working with Betty White?
Well, I have been working with Betty. This is our second season. Hopefully we'll be around for season 3 with new pranks. Matter of fact, we have a contest right now. We want the viewers to submit their pranks that they would like for us to do, and we'll do it on the finale of this season.
All right, now let's go back to NAACP Image Award.
Yes.
This is your first or second time? You've been here before, no?
I haven't been to the Image Awards probably in 30 years. The last time I was here, I was a seat filler. You know what seat fillers are?
To be watching.
So this is the first time I've been here on the carpet, so I'm really excited about being here tonight.
Wow, congratulations. And who you want to win today? Sunday already have been declared winner.
Everybody's a winner here. What can I say? The fact that they were nominated goes to show that they're outstanding in their category. So what can I say? I think I don't have any favorites. I think everyone's great.
All right. Now I'm going to ask you a favor. If you can do a promo for Diversity News TV and Diversity News Magazine. Say your name from the show, and then you can say, you know, keep reading or watching Diversity News Magazine.
Okay. Hi, this is Rita Gray from Betty White's Off Their Rockers. Keep reading Diversity News Magazine.
Perfect. Thank you.